Northrop Grumman's latest spacecraft is an absolute heavyweight in the world of space cargo delivery. But here's where it gets controversial. What happens when you pair this massive vehicle with a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket? You get a record-breaking resupply mission to the International Space Station, ISS, that's turning heads. The newly upgraded Cygnus spacecraft, known as Cygnus XL, embarked on its maiden voyage Sunday evening from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. This mission, designated NG-23, is en route to the ISS and is expected to dock early Wednesday, carrying a staggering 10,827 pounds, 4,911 kilograms of supplies. This cargo is vital for supporting the station's ongoing research and the 7 astronauts living and working aboard. To put this into perspective, this is by far the heaviest payload ever delivered to the ISS by a commercial resupply mission. NASA astronaut Jonny Kim will be at the helm, using the station's Canadian-built robotic arm to capture the Cygnus XL. Once secured, the spacecraft will be attached to a docking port, allowing the crew to open the hatches and begin unloading the precious cargo. So, what makes this Cygnus XL so special? At first glance, it resembles Northrop Grumman's earlier Cygnus models, featuring a service module crafted in their Northern Virginia facility. This part of the spacecraft is crucial. It provides the power, propulsion, and other essential systems that keep Cygnus functioning smoothly while orbiting Earth. The standout features of the Cygnus freighter include its distinctive circular, fan-shaped solar arrays and an aluminum cylinder known as the pressurized cargo module. This module, which somewhat resembles a large beer keg, is the key difference between the Cygnus XL and its predecessors. The cargo module on the Cygnus XL is 5.2 feet, 1.6 meters longer than previous versions. To give you a clearer picture, the entire spacecraft is roughly the size of 2 Apollo command modules stacked together. Ryan Tintner, Northrop Grumman's Vice President of Civil Space Systems, explains that the cargo volume is comparable to the space inside 2.5 minivans. The most significant aspect of this mission is the debut of the Cygnus XL configuration, Tintner said. It offers 33% more cargo capacity than earlier Cygnus spacecraft. While more capacity might sound like just a numbers game, it's actually a game changer because it allows us to deliver substantially more scientific equipment and supplies in a single launch. This efficiency helps reduce the cost per kilogram for NASA, which is a big deal for future missions. Interestingly, the cargo modules for Cygnus are manufactured by Thales Alenia Space in Turin, Italy. Their design draws heavily from the technology used in several of the ISS's permanent modules, showcasing a blend of proven engineering and innovation. However, the path to this mission wasn't without hiccups. Earlier this year, the cargo module intended for the previous Cygnus mission was damaged during transit from Italy to the United States, forcing NASA and Northrop Grumman to fast-track the Cygnus XL's first flight instead. This raises an intriguing question. With the Cygnus XL's increased size and capacity, are we witnessing a new era of commercial space logistics that could challenge traditional supply methods? Or does relying on larger, more complex spacecraft introduce risks that might offset the benefits? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think bigger is always better when it comes to space cargo? Share your opinions and join the conversation below.